Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to this video on the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Often called the USB-C for AI, this standard is becoming the most important development in tech right now, promising to turn a chaotic, fragmented landscape into a unified, connected ecosystem. Currently, the AI ecosystem is highly fragmented. AI clients like Claude, Cursor, and OpenAI must establish custom connections to every single database, file source, or external API. This old way of doing things is costly and inefficient. Enter MCP, the Universal AI Data Protocol. This open standard acts as a single interface, allowing any AI application to seamlessly interact with any external data source. It is designed to remove barriers and accelerate innovation across the board. Think of it like the transition to USB-C. Before this standard, connecting AI to your tools was like dealing with proprietary chargers that only worked with one brand. Now, one protocol handles the connection for any AI client and data source. This shift changes everything for development and maintenance. Instead of writing custom glue code for every platform, you build one universal server. This approach is more stable, self-healing, and prevents being locked into a single vendor's ecosystem. The industry's rapid move to MCP is built on three pillars: standardization for universal tool use, security and control by keeping API keys local, and composability, which allows developers to build with small, focused microservers. MCP provides complete control over your context. By using a local server, you decide exactly what data is passed to the AI model. You never need to hand over your raw API keys or private data directly to the provider. We are saying goodbye to giant, unmaintainable monoliths. MCP encourages the use of small, hyper-focused microservers, allowing you to snap together specific services like GitHub, Notion, or SQL databases for your AI workspace. The process is simple. Build a small server, bind it to the MCP standard, and deploy it once. Every AI that supports the protocol will then know how to interact with your tools without any further custom configuration. Companies and developers are moving quickly to adopt this. Major platforms are already speaking MCP, and the library of ready-made servers is growing by the week. If you understand this now, you are well ahead of the curve. Next up, we will move from concept to code. We'll look at the core architecture and build a real MCP server together. Complete code will be provided for every practical lesson in this series. Let's make AI actually useful. Subscribe and turn on notifications to follow along with our complete architecture breakdown and the first lines of code.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.